The universe speaks to us in loads of different ways. For me personally, my connection to Earth, to Mother Gaia, to nature, to the elements, is one of my prime sources of sustenance, one of my prime sources of joy. And especially being a Capricorn, an earth sign, and all the lineages that live within me, animals are a huge part of my existence. They speak to me all the time, even through the significance of just seeing them. The blue heron, taught through Native American culture, is all about self-reflection, which is why seeing it, which is a joy in and of itself. But in this moment of self-reflection that I'm choosing to share with you, it's just a wonderful, wonderful blessing. But as ever, I digress. So let's rewind ever so slightly and back to my original point. Innocence. When we lose the innocence within ourselves, we lose that connection to our inner child. For those that have ever read or opened themselves up to certain spiritual teachings, there's a lot of relevance, magic and understanding that comes from looking at the world through the eyes of a child. Why is that? Up until the age of about 7, let's just say the mechanics of how we process reality as a human is completely different. We experience everything with wonder, with curiosity, with intrigue. Can you remember that? Can you? Really? Remember that? To live your life as being wonderful. However, I really